Sweden has announced the transfer of the largest military aid package to Ukraine. Stockholm will hand Kyiv its entire fleet of PBV-302 armored personnel carriers, Jagtrobot RB-99 medium-range missiles, 155mm artillery shells, fuel transport and satellite communication terminals. In addition, the package with a total value of nearly $1.3 billion will include an aircraft.
The support package focuses mainly on three things that Ukraine needs more now and has asked for. Support for the country's air defense, both in the form of missiles and radar aircraft, but also artillery ammunition and armored vehicles. Ukraine is fighting not only for its own freedom and security, but also for ours. Ulf Kristersson, Prime Minister of Sweden, on Facebook.
The Air Force of the Ukrainian Armed Forces will receive the ASC-890 radar reconnaissance and control aircraft. In essence, it is a flying radar that can identify targets that conventional aircraft cannot see. It can identify fighter jets, helicopters, cruise missiles, drones, and targets both on land and at the sea, at a range of up to 450 kilometers. The aircraft can operate continuously for up to 5 hours.
It unlocks the ability to identify all dangers, all threats, and allows both missiles to be guided, aircraft to be targeted, and carry a very large number of specific operations. These are eyes. We got the microscope. If before we were helped by our partners to solve a bunch of problems, now this aircraft can perform these functions.
The Ukrainian Air Force have never had such an aircraft before. Even one ASC-890 will give the defense forces additional capabilities for more efficient use of aircraft, including F-16 multi-role fighters.
For example, if there is an F-16 standing around the corner, we can have this aircraft flying far behind and above it, so that it stays out of reach of Russian air defense and missiles. This aircraft will see the coordinates where we should make an attack, and that's when the F-16 flies out from around the corner, launches missiles and goes back, risking nothing, so it's about targeting.
The Ukrainian Armed Forces will receive a total of 85 F-16 aircraft from Western allies. The first fighters may arrive as early as next month. Ukrainian Defense Minister Rustam Umerov said the Netherlands, Denmark and Norway have already announced future deliveries in late summer 2023. Belgium will provide 30 aircraft by 2028. This commitment is documented in a bilateral agreement on security cooperation.
In this agreement, we have documented the number of F-16s that Ukraine will receive from Belgium. This is 30 aircraft. We will be able to receive the first of them this year. Secondly, this year we have established the level of financial support for our defense from Belgium, almost 1 billion euros. This money will go directly to the defense of people from Russian terror.
In addition to F-16s, Kyiv expects to receive Gripen fighters from Sweden, but Stockholm is taking its time with this decision. According to Sweden's defense minister Paul Johnson, his country is putting plans to send the planes on pause at the request of other members of Air Coalition. First, Ukraine must receive the F-16s, provide them with the necessary infrastructure, basing, maintenance locations and defense, put the aircraft into service and start using them on the permanent basis. And then Ukraine and Sweden can return to discussing the delivery of Gripen aircraft. Reported by Anastasia Tarnavska, Valeria Nekapelova, UATV News.